Barbara's Toys' once bustling factory is now quiet, and the company might go out of business. She's shut down several lines of production, and her factory has unused capacity. The problem started when Barbara received a cease and desist letter from Daveco Toys attorneys, telling her that she could no longer make and sell toys that copied Daveco products. But Barbara still has overhead to cover on her building and trucks. How can she grow revenue and return to profitability? Barbara talks to Phil, her patent attorney, who reminds her that the Constitution created the patent system in order to promote the progress of science and the useful arts by giving protection to those who create products of any kind, even toys. Phil encourages her to invent toys of her own. Barbara hires a toy designer and instructs her to think about products that will appeal to kids and parents in the future. Barbara eventually files her own patents. It's a year later, and Barbara brings 17 patent-pending toys to the gigantic toy show, where she shows her toys with confidence, knowing they are protected. Dave from Daveco Toys sees Barbara at her booth and congratulates her on her new toys. And Barbara feels great. With plenty of orders from the gigantic toy show, Barbara is able to hire more employees and start shipping toys to retailers. And now that Dave has seen what Barbara has created and is selling, he now has his own ideas for new toys that he'll develop and patent. The two companies are now competing on a level playing field, with kids deciding which toy is best. Dave and Barbara each make all the profit from their own successful toys.